Hello there! Human-centered leadership. This program combines proven practices for effective leadership and team development. It's a very engaging and interactive experience. It is fully customized to our clients' values and culture, making it extremely business relevant for them. Before we design, we talk to participants about their challenges, pains, expectations and needs. And then we design for them. Participants will explore and test concepts such as psychological safety, feedback, caring leadership, design thinking, collaboration, and more. They will be challenged quite a few times, enhancing their self-awareness as leaders. No lectures, but discussions, conceptualization, and testing in the workplace. The goal of the program is to encourage leaders to start experimenting and testing new methods and approaches, while also enhancing their awareness of what's there available for them. What methods, techniques, approaches and models can be used in order to lead effectively and drive teams to success. No nonsense, practical skills only. Check more details of the program, and if it resonates with you, book a call and let's take it from there.